Lapland is the area of Northern Lights, the Kingdom of Snow, the homeland of Santa Claus, and the center of Finland's winter tourism. Lapland winter landscapes are so mesmerizing. The trees are covered with snow caps, while on the hills where the wind reigns supreme, the snow fully covers both the tree trunks and the branches. Even the roads are white here. No chemicals are used, and the snow is simply swiped away from it. Riding these roads is a real pleasure. Many tourists prefer to travel by car through these winter landscapes. One can stay the night or a few days in a fairy hut like this, standing by the side of a lake in a beautiful forest. The whole family will have fun here. You can go sledding down the hill, or ride a snowmobile to the top of the Kuntivara hill. No action sports lover will remain indifferent to hundreds of kilometers of ski tracks. The Ruka Ski Resort is one of the best in Finland. For those who want to feel like a true northern dweller, there is a chance to ride a dog sled. Friendly huskies are cheerfully rushing through a sparkling snowy track among majestic spruces. We want to believe that they do it without much difficulty. The sled dog history can be traced back around 8,000 years. The North can't be imagined without reindeers. They are accustomed to people and rather friendly. It is a real pleasure to feed them with the reindeer's moss. Northern Lights are the genuine landmark of Lapland. In Finland, hiking is a well-developed kind of tourism. Many trails are paved through the most beautiful places. Riisitunturi National Park is one of them. In the world, there are not so many places where you can see the snow-covered trees of the most diverse and bizarre forms. Along almost all the tourist trails, one can find a wilderness hut for a rest. In this hut, you can make a fire, warm up, and take a break. The dog sled can bring you to a fairy tale and the homeland of Santa Claus, which is referred to by locals as Joulupukki. Santa's village is 8 kilometers away from Rovaniemi, the capital of Lapland. Tourists come here to visit Santa's house, say hello in person, and take a photo. After saying goodbye to Santa, we continue our way through the beautiful winter scenes of Lapland and go to Kuntivaara Hill. The snowy forest of Kuntivaara is one of the most beautiful winter landscapes that our team has ever seen. Now, let's just be quiet for a moment to enjoy the leisurely flight above the sceneries of Kuntivaara. Lastly, let us look around the country of thousands of lakes from above. When you look at the map of Finland, you can't help but notice the enormous number of lakes that this country is famous for. But in the winter, they are covered by a layer of snow. However, even being frozen, they create a fantastic atmosphere of the Finnish landscapes, and we wish to return to these places in the summer.